Looking for how you can detangle your hair without feeling pains, get these soft coils and all this moisture? Girl, you're on the right video because aloe vera did this to my hair, baby. Just sit put and keep watching. Hello lovelies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Augusta. Please, if you're new here, just click the subscribe button below and join the family. I'm just going to jump right into the video. In this video, I'm showing you guys how I use the aloe vera plant as a detangler, and also I used it to pre-pull my hair. I got my aloe vera plant at Walmart, and the first thing I did was to wash it, just to watch out the dirt on it. And please be careful while washing it because the size of the aloe vera plant has some spikes that are very sharp. After washing, you have to cut them into smaller sizes. This is going to make it easier to work with. So you want to cut out that whitish part, just because the aloe vera juice there is not as slimy and juicy as the ones on the other green sides. I also read online that that part contains some poison, but guys, I am not sure. I don't know. That's just something I saw people saying online, okay? So don't quote me anywhere, right? So you want to cut out that part, and then you want to also cut out the sharp spikes by the edge. Be careful while cutting this so you don't hurt yourself, and also you don't want to cut out too much so you don't cut into the aloe vera, should I say juice, or is it the meat, or let's just say the aloe vera itself. And now you want to cut the aloe vera into smaller sizes. This way it's going to be very easy for you to work with. And I usually don't put the tip, I just remove that part. So looking at the aloe vera, you're going to see that it has two sides, like the curved side and the flat side. So I usually take my knife and cut out the flat side. This is how I find it easier, to scoop out the aloe vera gel. So you can cut it into two halves and scoop out the gel from the two sides, but I like cutting out the flat side, so I just have to scoop out the gel from one side of it. And guys, I just wanted to show you guys how slimy this is. You guys can see it. So the jelly is so slimy, and that is what helps you with detangling your hair. You can take a spoon or your knife to scoop out the gel. Scoop everything out, okay? Just scoop it into a plate. And this is what you want to continue doing with the rest of the aloe vera. And I want to talk about some of the benefits of aloe vera to your hair. And guys, aloe vera contains something called the proteolytic enzymes, and this enzyme helps repair dead cell skins on your scalp. Aloe vera also acts as a very good conditioner and also as a detangler, and that is what I'm using it for today. I'm using it to detangle my hair. Aloe vera can also promote hair growth, and it also prevents itching on the scalp, okay? So aloe vera does a lot of things to the hair. You can use it as a deep conditioner, you can use it as a leave-in conditioner, you can use it as a Prepoo. So you can use aloe vera for anything, okay? It's very beneficial to your hair, your skin, your face. Just check out YouTube. There are a lot of videos on YouTube on how to use aloe vera for different things, all right? And I'm going to be coming out with a lot of videos on how to use aloe vera too, because I'm planning to also use it for a leave-in conditioner, moisturize your face, and or deep condition your hair, sorry, not face. So yeah, after scooping out the aloe vera jelly, you want to put it in this plate and then go ahead and get something to mash it. This is the only way you can bring out all the juice from it, okay? So I use the potato masher to mash mine. You can use a fork if you don't have a potato masher. Just use anything, to crush it. And you all can see how slimy this is, right? This is what really helps you, like the slimy nature of the aloe vera gel is what helps you detangle your hair. So after mashing it, you want to go ahead and pour it into this sieve. And you can just leave it like that and let the juice, seep through. Or you can use your hand or your finger or, spoon to kind of press it out. But you guys can see it's already coming out without me touching it or anything. So you can actually leave it for a few minutes, maybe for about 30 minutes, and the juice is going to seep through the sieve, okay? So guys, this is my hair. I have not detangled it. I've not done anything to it. I just took down the protective hairstyle I had on, and this is it without doing anything to it. And you guys can see all those white stuffs all over it are just product buildups, okay? So I want to measure my hair. Like, I'm one of those people who don't really care much about how long my hair is, how, the progress I have made or stuffs like that. I don't really bother myself about it. But recently, I want to start, paying more attention to my hair. So I'm measuring my hair for the first time. And the back is about 7.5 inches and the front is about 9.5 inches. So I'm going to be measuring my hair maybe every 2 to 3 months just to see how far, it has grown. And the first thing I did was to pour in the aloe vera juice into the spray bottle. But guys, that didn't work out at all. I'm going to show you guys what happened. It didn't work out. So I went ahead to section out my hair into four. It's good to work with your hair in sections, okay? So right now I sectioned a little part and I wanted to spray in the aloe vera juice into it, and guys, it wasn't coming out. Like, it was coming out, but it was just pouring all over my hand. So I poured back the aloe vera juice into the cup. Then I started using my fingers to apply the aloe vera juice directly on my hair. And I didn't add anything, no water, no oil, no nothing, just the aloe vera juice. And I noticed that this started drying out on my hair immediately. So I decided to start adding water towards the front. But for the back, I was using only the aloe vera juice. And you guys can see how easy it was for me to run my fingers through my hair. And remember, I've not even detangled my hair before doing this. I just applied the aloe vera juice directly into my hair and then I start detangling immediately. And it was so easy to do. Like, you guys can see how my fingers was running freely through my hair. There was no breaking of hair, no, like, it wasn't painful. My hair wasn't breaking. It was just running freely through my hair. And I used my finger first before I went ahead to use a comb, to comb my hair. I'm going to show everything clearly towards the front of my hair, okay? So at the front of my hair, I decided to start using water, okay, first. So I sprayed water into my hair with a spray bottle. I made sure it is well moisturized with water or well saturated with water. And then I went ahead to start using my fingers to apply the, what is it called again? The aloe vera juice, sorry. So I started applying the aloe vera juice with my finger and I started applying from the roots down to the tip. I tried to make sure the aloe vera juice gets to every single strand of hair, So that was what I was doing here, as you guys can see, applying the aloe vera juice on every strand, of my hair. And then I went ahead to use my fingers, to separate the hair just to make sure everything gets, into the hair very well. And guys, I can't even explain how, this aloe vera juice made my hair feel. It was so soft. Like, you guys, you can even see how soft it is already. Like, I feel like you can see it through the camera already. And the coils, guys, my coils was popping. This moisturized my hair so well. It detangled it so well. It was so easy. It was pain-free. My hair wasn't cutting too much like it normally does when I'm detangling my hair, I wish you guys can really touch my hair to like feel how soft it is. Now, after using my finger to detangle my hair, I go ahead to use the big tooth comb, to comb through it just to detangle it the more. And then after that, I'm going to use the brush, to brush through it again. You really don't have to use the brush because I know a lot of people on natural hair don't like using brush on their hair, and that's okay. You can just only use your finger to detangle it. But me, I really don't mind using brush or comb on my hair, okay? So I also added more water and more aloe vera juice to it. Just like I told you guys, I want it to be well moisturized. Like, I want it to be well saturated, okay? So that was why I went ahead to add more to it, and because I'm using this as a Prepoo, okay? So yeah, can you guys see those coils? Like, they are popping. So I just wanted to show you guys the coils again here, okay? So as usual, spraying water with spray bottle into your hair, just to have a lot of moisture on your hair. Add the aloe vera juice, use your fingers to detangle the hair very well and make sure the juice and water gets into every strand of hair, okay? And then you want to use your comb and then you want to jump into using your brush if you're comfortable with using brush, okay? I just wanted to show you guys the coils here. Can you guys see my coils? Like, I don't know how to explain it. The hair is very soft, very moisturized. My coils, like, guys, this, I can't even explain it, okay? So yeah, this is how I use the aloe vera juice as my moisturizer.
Guys, this is actually the first time I'm detangling my hair without feeling pain, headache, you know, like without feeling like I have the whole world on my head. I can't even explain how I feel right now. This is like some kind of magical invention. Like, this works. No pain, no nothing. I feel like every natural hair sister needs to try this out. Everyone needs to add this to their hair routine. Like what I'm trying to say is that this whole process of detangling my hair was so painless for the first time ever since I went natural. If you have tender skull and always feel pain when you touch your hair, you're going to understand how I feel right now. You guys need to try this out. If you're still here, thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. Please, if you have not subscribed to my channel, just click the subscribe button down below and join the family. I'm going to be bringing you guys more exciting videos. See you guys in my next video.